no matter what you try to do in life, you're going to suck at it in the beginning. That's just the way that it is. But this creates a difficult barrier to get past in order to even get started, especially when it comes to confidence, because it makes it very difficult to just put yourself out there. There's a natural fear and anxiety response, basically because you don't want to expose yourself to other people seeing how much you suck. So that's the problem. In the beginning, you are going to suck, and there's a natural, very powerful psychological barrier preventing you from exposing to the world just how much you suck. And there's only one way to get past this barrier. Basically, you just have to throw yourself in the fire and force yourself to face this kind of judgment. That's the first step in anything. And it's necessary to go through this in order to actually go from sucking to being good. But it's easier said than done because you're battling against very powerful psychological forces that are there to protect you. It's a survival mechanism that has evolved over millions of years. It's like if you try to hold your breath for too long, eventually your unconscious mind is going to cause a sort of panic reaction inside of you and force you to start breathing again. It's very similar to that. But unlike holding your breath forever, it is actually possible to overcome this kind of initial psychological barrier that's preventing you from exposing yourself to the judgment of other people. And we're not going to talk about exactly how to do it in this short video, but you can subscribe to this channel and we'll talk about this kind of thing a lot in future videos. Or you can go to samuraiconfidence.com for more in-depth confidence training.